In this video, we will look at statistical symbol notation and in particular the class midpoint. The example says the highway mileage in miles per gallon for 30 small cars. The mileage, the first class, indicates that the mileage is between 29 and 33 miles per gallon. So there are 11 cars with that. The next class is between 34 and 38. That's considered our second class. And there are 12 cars with that mileage. Next one is 39 and 43, and there's 2 for the third class. The fourth class, between 44 and 48 miles per gallon, that's really good. There are 5 cars. And that's the fourth class. So the first thing that we have to do is it asks us, the class width is defined as the difference between 2 consecutive, and we're going to use the upper class limits. Use the first 2 classes to find the class width. So we're going to use the first 2 classes, and it says to use the upper class limits. So in this case, the upper class limits are going to be the 33 and the 38. So to find the class width, we're going to have to simply go ahead and subtract 38 minus 33. You can use your calculator, but I think I can do that in my head, and it is a simple 5. So our class width is 5. Next, it asks us to compute the class midpoints in the table above by using the formula. The midpoint is the lower class limit plus the upper class limit, all divided by 2. We're taking basically the average of the 2 class limits. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and figure out our first one. So the class midpoint between 29 and 33. We're going to take the 29, add it to the 33, and divide it by 2. So make sure with this, we put parentheses around the numerator. And in order of operations, we have to simply add the first 2 together. So 29 plus 33. On our calculator, 29 plus 33, and that is 62. So we have 62 divided by 2, back on our calculator, and that is going to be 31. So the class midpoint between 29 and 33 is simply 31. For the next class midpoint, we're going to have to take 34 plus our 38 and divide it by 2. So we can make sure you're writing the operation down. Let's see if we can type this in the calculator all at once this time. So you have to make sure you include the parentheses in the numerator. So we're going to go parentheses 34 plus 38, close parentheses, divided by 2, and hit enter. So that answer is going to be 36. Our next class midpoint between 39 and 43. 39 plus 43. Divide that by 2. On our calculator, again, make sure you use parentheses. 39 plus 43, close parentheses, divided by 2. Hit enter, and that answer is 41. And our last interval between 44 and 48. So to find the class midpoint, we're going to take 44, add 48, divided by 2. So on our calculator, make sure we put the parentheses around there. 44 plus 48 inside parentheses. Take that all, divide it by 2. And our answer is 46. Notice here, the difference between all the class midpoints is 5. 36 or 31 and 36 is a difference of 5. 36 and 41 is a difference of 5. And 41 and 46 is a difference of 5, which is our same as our class width of 5.